this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth and green stitching accents, plenty of door space. You do get floor mats and carpeted interior, cup holders with a 12-volt rear vents, and 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have the manual seats, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, and parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. We got our speeds right there. Tons of storage with cup holders. You even get storage underneath. More storage here with outlets. Vinyl wrap center console with tons of storage. We have our dry mounts, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Little coin slot. You got your climate controls at the bottom. 12-volt and more outlets. You got storage here with the F-150 logo. Storage below. Storage right here. And looking at our infotainment system, we do get our audio, which has our normal AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our normal settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35039, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.